Hey guys, it's Robert from East Coast Sawing and Design. Just a quick little update on my Matthias Wendell 14-inch bandsaw build. I've got the motor mounted just temporarily. The table's been mounted properly. I still need to make the insert for the table. No blade guides on it yet. No enclosure. But it's running and I'm able to make a few test cuts, so here we go. So that was some 3/8 inch cherry. Nothing spectacular. Now we try some 3/4 birch. This was a bottle opener. Center part got a little messed up, so it's scrapped. See if we can cut through that. By the way, this is a 1/4 inch Bosch blade from Canadian Tire, brand fire new. I don't have the wheels on the tire yet, the tires on the wheels yet either. But for this, it's fine. So you can see, cut through the birch. This is white birch, by the way. They cut through it very well. This is maybe inch and an eighth, the widest here. This is closer to 1.5 inches or so. Handle it without a problem. For now, I just am using some 6mm maple for the tension, which is what Matthias calls for. I might change that out for a different wood. And I still got to make the knobs for all that. But I'm extremely pleased how it's working. So onwards and upwards. Like, subscribe. Tell me if you didn't like the video. Thanks, guys.